Hi guys, how are you all? Today I am so excited to come again and welcome you all to my channel guys. I hope you all are doing well guys. So today I'm going to do a review on Patanjali, and this is mostly a review on conditioner that I'm going to show to you guys. So actually I have been using this product and I just really love this product. So I wanted to do a review so that it is helpful for you guys too to go with the conditioner and get the result of it. So guys, this is the one that I have been using for such a long time. That is the Patanjali Kesh Kanti hair conditioner. That is the almond one. I'm using it. So the applying tips is for like after washing your hair you have to put on your scalp, massage on your scalp, take some amount of this product and massage on your scalp, and then after that you just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that just rinse it off with water. That's what I did, and that's what I really liked because after using this product I got so nice result that I just really like this product. It detangles your hair and it is very smooth. I just really like everything about this product. So like it contains the base materials that contains over here is aqua, shea butter, soya protein, menthol, methyl, sorry not menthol, okay, sugandhit dravya, all that is contained, all that is contained over here. And the thing is that it conditions, nourishes and detangles hair, reduces hair fall, split and make hair healthy and strong. That is really what I got just after using this product, because it was very dry for me in this, and in Bangalore it is really very hot weather right now. It is around like 37 to 38 degree. So like whenever so like my I had constant hair fall and all. So after using this product I got to know that my hair is falling very less, and like it is very smooth. After using this product the smoothness stays for 2 days. Yeah, I won't lie about this. It stays for 2 days. After using this conditioner the smoothness of your hair stays for 2 days, and um, it just soothes your hair. It becomes more shinier, and I just really love about this product because it is so helpful for me, and I just can't say really no about this product. So the thing is that the quantity is 100, and it is 100 gram, that weight is 100 gram, and the price is 60 rupees. Yeah, and it consists of olive, almond. That is very good for hair because olive is it gives you smoothness of hair, and almond also nourishes your hair. So like this two the things that contains in this conditioner, and I really love about this because it conditions, nourishes and detangles your hair. And I can say one thing, that after using this product I'm having very less hair fall, because I was having lots and lots of hair fall in this hot weather in Bangalore. I don't know why the weather has suddenly changed. It has become so hot here in Bangalore. So it is like that. So you can see it comes in a package like this. You have to open it. Yeah, and this is the quantity of the product, that is a very much white in color. Yeah, and you have to just take small amount of it. And the thing is that the thing that I don't like about this product, that it is a very small quantity. It consists of only 100 gram. I wanted it more actually. So because after using this product for just only 3 to 5, as you can see the length of my hair is very uh, short. So for me it stays for 6 to 5 washes. It stays. If I really condition a lot my hair, then I need more product. So actually the bad thing about this product is that the quantity is very less. And apart from this, I am liking very much about this product because the way it nourishes your hair, the way it soothes your hair, it is really, I can say, it is really very good. So guys, that is what I wanted to say about Patanjali Kesh Kanti Almond. It is a very good product, and I think within the rating of 1 to 5 I can give it like 3.5 for me. Yeah, I can say like this. So just give it a trial guys, I just really liked it. So guys, that's all from today. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please do give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel, and see you after my next video guys. Was it a shock to you guys? Even I went blank, I don't know what I was thinking about, but that's all guys. I love you all, and please stay with me forever and ever, and see my journey from where to where I go guys. Really, I'll be really very, I'm really hoping a lot from this, and I hope you guys will also support me a lot. That's all from today guys, and see you until my next video. Ciao. Bye guys.